Welcome to Meet the Brains. Thank you all for coming. So, what is your research interest?
Thanks to you. Our interest is focused to the study of the brain connectivity patterns, and especially that patterns derived from the fMRI signal in healthy brains and the major brains.
And could you explain it a bit more?
So we're interested to analyze some patterns of the connectivity map, especially in resting state situation. So this pattern is connected with some properties, some characteristic of the psychological variables, especially connected with the cognitive outcomes or cognitive status.
And what is most exciting about it?
To know how our brain works in normal conditions and also with pathological people.
How do you reach your research goals?
We reach our research goals using neuroimaging techniques, and also we use different statistical approaches in order to analyze data.
Who are your partners in your research?
Now we're working with several teams, especially in the last times with Biocruces Institute from Basque Country, also with some researchers from Université de Montréal in Canada, and also with some researchers from the Blanquerna in Ramon Llull University. And also with our laboratory is installed in the Institute of Neuroscience in the Universidad de Guadalajara, in Guadalajara, Mexico. And occasionally we have contact with other research teams in the world using the same statistical approach.
And how do you think your research can impact the world?
So I hope that in a positive way. So we expected that our results show that the possibility to use the pattern of connectivity to improve the diagnosis of several pathology.
Is there any other discipline synergies that relate to your research?
Yes, this is very important because we work with computational neuroscience and we need the relationship with other disciplines like physics, medicine, biology.
What is next in your field of research?
Okay, a good question. For us, the most important things to obtain now is other kinds to approach to the complexity problem and to use new techniques to modelize this complexity situation. So in fact, we are very interested now in include some artificial intelligence devices to obtain more complex models to explain the properties and characteristics of the connectivity pattern.
How do you celebrate a new paper being published?
We used to celebrate it in the bar with some beers, but now with COVID it is a bit difficult, so we usually make a Skype and we celebrate it a little bit.
Who or what is your inspiration?
I think that the Freestone papers and the Freestone work in the 20 past years.
If you could have a coffee with a scientist from the past, who would it be?
For me, this question is very easy. Hypatia of Alexandria, because if it's a woman, one of the first women that is expert in mathematics and astronomics, and in our research, mathematics and statistics is very important.
What's the best thing that has happened in your career?
Well, I think that the three of us working at the University of Barcelona and working with all the people that has been in any moment in our research group, and especially the young people, because it's the people that have energy to work in research.
What do you think will be the next big thing in neuroscience?
The next step in neuroscience is to build a map, a connectivity map in different populations in order to get profound knowledge in this field.
And finally, what would you like to say to the world?
Very simple and very easy. Please, world, make trust to the science. The science is the answer to the future.
Thank you all for coming.
Thanks to you.